everyone, let's solve one previous question of recurrence relation. This question was asked in GATE CS 2016 set 1 question number 27. Consider the recurrence relation a of 1 equals to 8. This is the initial condition. A of n equals to 6n square plus 2n plus a n minus 1. Let a of 99 equals to k multiplied by 10 power 4. The value of k is dash. So you have the recurrence relation a of n equals to 6n square plus 2n plus a n minus 1. In place of a n minus 1, we can write 6 n minus 1 square plus 2 multiplied n minus 1 plus a of n minus 2. Now substitute this in place of a n minus 1, we'll get this. Again in place of a n minus 2, substitute 6 of n minus 2 square plus 2 multiplied n minus 2 plus a of n minus 3. Now after substitution we got this. So like this it will continue and finally we'll get 6 multiplied by n square, n minus 1 square, n minus 2 square till 2 square plus 2 multiplied by n plus n minus 1 plus n minus 2 till 2 plus a of 1. Right? So in last term, like a of 2 equals to 6 2 square plus 2 multiplied 2 plus a of 1. Right? So this is our last term. After substitution we got this. And we know the formula 1 plus 2 square plus 3 square till n square, that is n multiplied n plus 1 multiplied 2n plus 1 divide 6, right? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, that is n multiplied n plus 1 divide 2. For substitution, here we need to add plus 1 minus 1, here also we need to add plus 1 minus 1. So now we got 6 multiplied n plus 1 multiplied 2n plus 1 divide 6 minus 1. Minus 1 as here we added plus 1 minus 1, right? And 2 multiplied n into n plus 1 divide 2 minus 1. Here also we added plus 1 minus 1 plus 8. This is our initial condition. Now simplify this. This 6 will be cancelled. Here this 2 will be cancelled. This 6 will multiplied with 1. Here this 2 will multiplied by 1. n multiplied n plus 1 multiplied 2n plus 1 minus 6 plus n into n plus 1 minus 2 plus 8. Okay. So this minus 6 minus 2 plus 8, these will be cancelled. Minus 8 plus 8. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Here n into n plus 1. Now what we can do, we can take n into n plus 1 as a common. After taking this as a common, we'll get 2n plus 1 from this here plus 1. So we got 2n plus 2. Before there was n into n plus 1, right? So this thing we can write 2 multiplied by n plus 1, right? So finally we'll get 2n multiplied by n plus 1 square. It is asking a of 99, right? So in place of n, write 99. 2 multiplied 99, 99 plus 1 square. 99 plus 1 square means it's 100 square. 100 square equals to 10 power 4. So 2 multiplied 99 multiplied 10 power 4. It's 198 multiplication 10 power 4. So what is k value? K value equals to 198. Answer will be 198. So for solving this question, we use the backward substitution. There are two ways. One is forward substitution, another is backward substitution. I discussed detail about backward substitution in algorithm. Just go through the lecture. And if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.